Hey, what's up? Have yourself a merry little Christmas. That's what we'll be covering. And we're going to get straight into it, okay? All right. So, in the key of A, all right? The melody is, there are variations of this melody, but so that's that song. For those of you who don't know. So I simplified the arrangement, just something that I can do and show and everything. So if it's not like the Frank Sinatra arrangement or like whatever else, this ain't about that. This is about a simple way to actually do it and actually maintain the integrity of the song and actually follow the melody, because it is possible to do an arrangement and it's not following the melody. It's not doing that. So these are going to be chords. I'm not going to do too much of the, I'm not doing too much of that. It's just going to be, that type of thing. Okay. So the main chord progression is a 1, 6, 2, 5 chord progression. That's like the meat of it. That's how it's like starting. Okay. And then everything kind of veers off, takes a journey, and then comebacks. Comebacks. Wow. It's taking a journey, it's going off, traveling, and then it's coming back to the 1. All right. So here we go. 1. This is the A major. The 6 is an F sharp minor. The 2 is a B minor. The 5 is a E major. So, why is this person calling me right now? Not a good time. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. It's kind of going like that in that cadence, okay? So it does that twice. Then when it comes to from now on, so that's 1, 6, that's 2, and it goes to 4, 3, that chord progression was 1 from now on, 6, 2, our troubles will be 4, which is a D major, and then a D flat C sharp. That's the 3. Okay, that's right here. C sharp minor. Okay, back to the 6, 2, 5. Then the next one is going to be a variation of that. Okay, so it's going to be have yourself a merry little Christmas. From now on, my troubles will be. Then we're going to the 3, but it's going to be a C sharp 7. This is where the Our troubles will be miles away. So from now on, okay. Or you can actually that's melody wise that was wrong. From now on. So it's going to the 3, but it's not playing the minor chord. It's playing like a dominant 7th. You can play a major. You can play a major chord or a dominant 7th chord. Then it jumps from that 3 to the 6. Okay. And then play a 5, but play like a minor chord. Then a 1. So here's how it sounds in context. From now on, here we are. That's where we are right now. So we're back to the 4, which is a D major. Here we are. We're playing that 3, which is a C sharp minor. Then we're going to the 2, which is a B minor or B minor 7. 5, E major. It's A major. Back to the 1. And here's where it takes a little more of a journey. So now we're going to go to the 7. The 7 is a E major over A flat. And we're going to play the 3, C sharp minor, and the 6. Okay. So here we are, as an olden day of your faithful friend who are near to us. Once more. That's where it is. Those are all of the chords of the song. Every single one. Then it, chords wise, it goes back to the top and plays the same chords. Here are the illustrations. I flipped it on y'all. Some of y'all like, dog, would he show the chords? I did show y'all the chords, but let me just play it through. I'm going to play it through for y'all. Here we go. All right. Come here. And those of you who are not new to my channel, you know, I have to kind of position stuff a certain way sometimes. Let me just, we just gonna come over here. Right here, okay. All right, so I'm just gonna play it through. I'm gonna pause just to kind of move stuff out of the way, but I want you to be able to see the actual fretboard as well. You see what I'm saying? So here we go. I'm gonna play it. Dum 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 dum. I'm gonna bring it up. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Yeah, from now on. I did a walk down that time, actually. Here we are. Da, 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 da. Of your faithful friends who are near to us, gather once more. Then it's back to the top. Through the years, we've always been together, you know. If the time allow. So it's playing the same chords. All right. So just keep that in mind. It's playing the same stuff. The only part that's different is actually, the only part that's different is the actual outro, where it's ending the song. It's the only part. That is the only part. So, yeah. So that's the only part that you really have to like think about. So I'm gonna play that outro as an example of what you can play over, like at the end of the song, and that's just a 1 flat 7, which is in this case a G major, a 2, which is a B minor, a 5, which is an E major, and back to the 1. Okay, now you can get pretty and go, or play that. Then for the 5, you can play actually, an E11. You can do that, or you can do a major 7 fill. You know what I'm saying? Major 7. You can do that to like end it off. So A major 7, G major 7, B11, or B minor, E11. Just something, there are so many different possibilities. So I don't want you to be like locked into just one way of playing stuff. It has to fit, and there are reasons why some things fit over other things. So just like, keep that in mind. But that's the song. Okay, melody wise, it's, oh no. So it's kind of like that kind of vibe. Okay. I did a video a long time ago, attempting to do the song. I was trying to, I did all the fingers, all the melodies and stuff. I kind of stumbled at it, but I got it. So you can check that out if you want to. But that song was from like 4 years ago. Me actually playing it. So, but I hope that was helpful. And, for those of you who maybe you want to figure out how to play it, you know what I'm saying? So that was pretty much it. Subscribe if you would like. Drop a super thanks or a gift, a few dollars if it's helpful and you just want to do that. It's important that I mention it because people mention, hey man, how can I give to what you're doing? I don't necessarily want to subscribe but I want to give you something because it was really helpful. And some people have done that, and I really, really appreciate that. There are others who have actually subscribed to my community. They're doing that, and they want to be a part of just ongoing game, and we're really just starting it up. We're really just getting it going. So just keep in mind, like right now is a really good time to get in. This is for people who are in there. You got the most access to me right now. Now, when we get more people, you will still have access to me, but it will be much easier on me. So right now it's like some of y'all are scared maybe or intimidated, I guess. And, I have a lot to share. I just ask that when you come in, if you decide to sign up, come in, drop a line, in the discussion, and correspond, correspond with me or whatever. And the people who have corresponded has gotten some value. Okay. Everybody else, I can't assume what you want. All right. I can put videos up inside the courses and stuff like that. And if it's not what you want, you got to tell me. All right. So that's pretty much it. And I do want to just let you know, I'm not the instructor that has 5,000 videos. That's not, my community is not that way. I want to tailor fit it to the people who are in the community. That's the angle that I'm taking. I got a bunch of videos, but I want to take the angle of what you specifically request. This is the angle that I'm taking. So if you come in there and you don't see 5,000 videos, I'm not doing it like some of the big instructors. I'm not doing it like them, because frankly, you could get in there and you don't know what to pick and what to choose. No shot on them, you know what I'm saying? But that's the angle I'm taking, so don't be surprised about that. And also, you're not always getting the best value if you don't know where to start, and you don't know. That's not what that equals. Like, thousands of videos does not equal value. It can, for some people, equal, I don't know where to start. So what I'm doing is I want to hear directly from you and what you want, and I can give you that. And you don't have to do all the scurrying around. You see what I'm saying? So just figured I'd let you know that. All right. Love y'all. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you're spending time with family. If you don't have any blood family to spend time with, I hope you got friends to spend time with. If you don't have that for whatever reason, hopefully these videos can serve as a little bit of company. You know what I'm saying? Just, let me know. But blessings to everybody. I'm going to be putting some more stuff up, but I will be seeing y'all, or maybe y'all will be seeing me. Who knows? All right. Peace. Love you.